Hello, so I would not lie to you like other people do. Is Vietnam cheap? My answer is a straight no. Okay, now you must be thinking why it's a straight no or why am I so adamant about it? I'll give an example. You can see this bottle, a normal bottle which is 350 ml. Listen, this cost about 7,000 Vietnamese dong. Alright? So if you see a 3,000 Vietnamese dong is 10 rupee in India, so it costs 20 rupees. Expensive, right? Same bottle will cost you 10,000 Vietnamese dong in Sapa, which is like the Himachal Pradesh of Vietnam. With this, you understand that we are paying a price for 350 ml, a price what we usually pay for about 1.5 liters in India. Second example I'll give you. A lavatory, just for using a lavatory, you're shelling 3,000 Vietnamese dong, which is equivalent to 10 rupees. So you know, the purchasing power starts from a way higher rate. So if I tell you coconut water, that starts 35,000 rupees in Hanoi and can go far and beyond. An average lunch or a breakfast, including a coffee, tea, and a meal at a very, very mediocre place will range from 80k to 1 lakh k, which is equivalent to 350 rupees, my dear people. Yes, you got it right. 350 is your basic. When you go to a better restaurant, when I say better, I mean like not a 5-star restaurant, okay? You go to a better place, you shell about 150k on the same meal. And if you go to a really high-fi 5-star places, you shell about 300 to 500k, which is about 1500 to 2000 Indian INR. Now, isn't it surprising? One coffee cup for me costed almost like 70k. Okay, now 70k, you can understand it's about somewhere 200 rupees. You can drink coffee for 20 rupee in India. You can have an idli vada for like say 50 rupee a plate, correct? But there you don't expect you're getting anything in like 50 and 100. So your purchasing power there begins with a way higher denomination. So you have to assume if you're going out for a vacation, your single day expense on food, travel should be minimum 5 lakh Vietnamese dong. Yes, nothing less than that. Trust on me. You take a 5 lakh note in the morning and by the end of the day, you will be surprised you are left with almost nothing. Even if you say about transportation, if you take a Grab taxi, minimum fare starts from 33,000 dong. And one side from the city to the airport costs you around 4 lakh Vietnamese dong, which is 1,800 to 2,000 rupees. Alright, so this was just an idea about for you to know, is Vietnam cheap? Now you decide. For me, I definitely know it's not cheap. I am not sugarcoating. I am not doing any kind of sponsored deal. I am sharing my own personal experience that do not think Vietnam is cheap. It is definitely